Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to make a dynamic chart that is good for presentation. And here is dynamic chart and you can see I'm changing the four products and others. So it is changing and pencil, it is changing and notebook, it is changing. So I'm going to make this chart here. So let's begin. So here what we need to create one product selection. So for example, I'm taking number one. So I need to change the format. Suppose I'm taking the number one product. So for that we need to create link from this table so that we can extract that product. How we can do that? Now we are going to select that product based on this number, because we are going to insert a combo box and we are going to select a range. Combo box will provide answer in serial number. It means 1 2 3 and 4. So let's begin. So we look up. Now the lookup value is this, but we have missing our lookup table. So lookup table is would lookup table would look like this: 1 2 3 4, and this is your product. So if we have this kind of lookup table, so this would be very easy, but we don't have this kind of lookup table here. So lookup value is this. We need to create this kind of lookup table in our example. So how we can do that? We can use insert a choose function. So here I'm going to take a column reference number 1 comma 2 and curly bracket close, because this is array. Now the value 1 would be this one, 1 2 3 4. So I need to build up this range 1 2 3 4. For that I'm going to insert a row function, and here lock it. Now when I will insert a row function, it will provide 4 5 6 7. So I need to subtract -3 in it, and it will provide 1 2 3 4. And the second column is this one. So here lock it. Now close the parenthesis. Now if I will execute this by using F9 key, now see the result what is happening. F9 key, and you can see one pencil, two notebook. So this is providing this kind of table. So Control Z for undo. And now since we are using VLOOKUP and we have two columns, so comma 2 comma 0 for exact match, and enter. And here it is. So this is providing the answer. Now we are going to use VLOOKUP once again. So lookup value is this and lookup table is this. So when we are talking about diary, so for year 2010, the VLOOKUP column index number would be 2. So again we have one problem: 2 3 4 5 6 7. So column, and now the array, we are going to use column function for that, because that is going to provide 1 2 3 4 5 number. So here it is. So when we are selecting A6 to B6, it is providing number 2, and I'm locking my A6 because I don't need to move it. So close the parentheses, and when I will come into 2011, then it will provide C6. So it will provide number 3 and comma 0, close the parentheses and enter. And you can see the answer, it is perfect. Now we have done a mistake, we have not locked this A11. So column should be locked. Now here it is. Now the third step is inserting the combo box. So I'm going to insert a combo box from the developer tab, insert combo box, and by pressing alt I'm inserting the combo box, and it is going to make my combo box to the same length and width of my cell. So format, right click, input range is this one, and cell link would be this one. So 3D shading I'm taking in the position and click OK, and now you can move it and paste it here and here. Now diary 3, and others 4. No, I'm hiding this number using my font color white. Now I need to insert a chart. For that I'm going to use a shortcut alt F11, and here it is. Now I'm pasting my chart here. I'm changing my chart type, and you can change any type chart. So you can take any chart. So I'm taking this one, simple one. Now I need to change this chart title as same as this one. So what I'm going to do, press equals here, and I'm coming on A10 since A11 is behind on my combo box. So I'm just pressing A10 and put a cursor to down A11. Now click enter, and here we go. Diary, pencil. So our chart is completely ready, and we are going to deal with this kind of presentation and keep learning and keep